Breaking news! Finally, Mac McClung signs with the Chicago Bulls. The former G-League MVP and 3-time Slam Dunk champion at viral sensation and reigning Slam Dunk champion na si Mac McClung finally signs with the Chicago Bulls. Alam naman natin na in and out si Mac McClung sa liga. Kumbaga turbulent ang karir nito. Pero due to his hard work and dedication, finally, he officially signs sa NBA. And hopefully, magtagal siya sa liga and he will find a new home sa NBA at sa Chicago Bulls. Dahil nga deserve naman ni Mac McClung ang mapunta sa NBA in a regular roster. Kayo, Buleros Nation, masaya ba kayo para kay Mac McClung? Deserve niya nga bang mapunta sa isang NBA team? Please leave a comment on the comment section. At maraming salamat.